What's the meaning of cloven hoof? Cloven hoof. Cloven hoof.
Cloven hoof. Cloven hoof. A cloven hoof is a hoof that is split into two separate sections, commonly found in animals such as goats, sheep, and deer. This anatomical feature is significant in several cultures and religions, often representing duality or symbolic of good and evil. The appearance of a cloven hoof can also impact an animal's ability to traverse rough terrain and climb steep surfaces, providing increased traction and stability. In essence, a cloven hoof allows for agile movement and symbolizes both physical and metaphorical strength.